I want to welcome you to the Business Builder, where I focus on your operations and you focus on the art. You focus on the painting. I set up your promotion rates. I set up your algorithm. I set up your discounts, and I set up the campaigns. So that way you could just focus on what you're good at, which is listing the art, getting it out there, pumping it out, creating the inventory, and creating the painting. And then I end up transitioning you into your own business to shortcut into the entrepreneurship. So that way you can see everything of what I do inside of your account and you can do it for yourself. This program right here is going to save you 10 years of your life, 10 years of information just in a short amount of time. But the best part is that I guarantee you the results. I guarantee you the results or your money back in full. You have nothing to lose. So I want to show you some of the dashboards, some of the results from some of the members who have recently just started working with me 2 weeks ago. And I'm going to break it down and show you this right now. All right, so this is Jim's dashboard right here that I want to show you. And I'm going to first start off by showing you his 90 days. So that way you can see the comparison to when he wasn't working with me just over 2 weeks ago to when he started working with me 2 weeks ago. Look, this is only 2 weeks. So this is only the beginning of him working with me. And just, you can see how the snowball effect is taking off. This was prior. So he was doing pretty well for himself. May, June, and then it kind of died off for him because of summer slowdown. And then as soon as he started working with me, which was actually on July 25th, you can see where his numbers and his impression rates took off. All right, so let's see what the campaigns that we have down here for him. Look at this. Impression rate is right here. And you can see even the impression rate is 700,000. Now, let me show you when we actually started the campaign, just that way you could see that when we actually created it. I'm going to go all the way here. You can see the start date. The start date is July 24th. Today is August the 10th, so it's just been a little over 2 weeks, and you can just see it right there for yourself. So let's come back over here so we can see the impression rates, but you can also see how many items he sold. Here's his sales right here for this one campaign. Almost $900 for this one campaign, another $900 for this one campaign, $1,300, almost $1,400, and for this other campaign, almost $900. These are active campaigns that are going on right now inside of his store. These are things that are actually being worked, and I'm going to also show you what it looked like currently. So you can see what it looks like currently over the past 30 days. This is the 30 days, just so you can see where we're actually at. And you can see the real dashboard. So this is him prior to working with me. Remember, I showed you down here, the start date was July 24th. And look, he started working with me right here, and you can see where it's like his store just turned on. His store turned on overnight by me having to just work the operations. You focus on the painting, I focus on the operations. I focus on shifting the algorithm and doing the promotion part for you. This is how I'm able to offer the highest value, because everybody's store is different. So it's not something that I could just give advice on. It's something that I have to actually work inside of your store, and you can just focus on the art part. So, and you can see here, this is the numbers that he was able to get over the past 30 days. Now, these campaigns, I just started this campaign. You can see I just started this campaign over 2 weeks ago. So this isn't 30 days of data. This is only 2.5 weeks. On this one campaign, it's still active. 900, this one 900, this one 1,400, this one 900. So you could just see the money that he was getting for himself. And look at this. It shows you right here, this is his data since working together. Now, when I'm showing you this number here for this $3,000, over $3,000, this is only for the promotion rate. This isn't even showing the numbers of how much money he was making that things didn't hit on the promotion rate. So let's go into the actual orders right here. So let's actually go into the orders right here. You can see here, this is his orders ever since 2 days ago. So I'm just going to start here from 2 days ago, and you can see how much money that he's been making. Over the past 48 hours, Jim has happened to make over $2,500 for himself. And that doesn't even include the upsells. That doesn't even include framing. That doesn't even include commissions that he's been getting. And you can see the numbers here. You can see it just that way. You can see that all the data that's here. And I love to show this to members as well, so that way you can see the data and you can see the machine working for you. This isn't Corbellic saying this. This is the actual machine. You can see the numbers coming in. You can see the sales click in overnight. And look, I'm still going. These are just all sales over the past 48 hours. Look, see, he scanned this today. He scanned it on time, August the 10th. That's today's date. And He sold it on August the 8th. So over the past 48 hours, he's been killing it. Only thing he's been focusing on was the art side and listing it. And I was focusing on the operations. Look at this. Over $2,500 in sales. I'm still going up. Look, I'm still going. Great job. Now let me show you another account as well. And now I'm going into Lee's dashboard so you can see her information as well, her analytics, and you can just see the data which she got when she started working with me over 2 weeks ago. That's when this campaign started. And I'm going to show you as well down here. You can see where I have it customized, where you could actually see it started on the 25th. And then today's date is August the 10th. That way you can see where we have it, but also you can just see where the campaign started. We started these campaigns on the 25th. Now look, the total sales that she was having to make for herself, all of these are the active campaigns that's working for her right now. She made $431 on this campaign, $318 on this campaign, $260 on this campaign, $440 on this campaign, and $166 on this one campaign. These things are still active right now. She's still going. Now, as you can see, this is the information. This is her data right here when she started working with me, and everything started lifting up for her. Now let's look into her sales as well, just so we can see where the orders are at. Now, this is over the past 2 days for her, and she's made over $1,500. This doesn't include frames. This doesn't include custom commissions, but you can just see all the sales that she's happened to pull in for herself. Look at this. August the 10th, and she's doing a great job as well too, making sure that this gets sent out. Even people are buying her paperwork for $80. Look, $58, $81, $81, $81. These are paper arts right here, and you can do this too. That way you could just look at her. This is her abstract piece right here. $237, and it just keeps going. So that way you can focus on the art and I can focus on the operation side right there. So I just wanted to show you those numbers. These are real dashboard datas. This is real information, how you can do this for yourself. And that way, hey, you don't have to take my word for it. These are better than testimonies. These are the real numbers. That's why I could guarantee you results, because of these numbers right here. Everybody who's inside of the business builder are getting these type of results in high impression rate. So you can see that information right there. That's better than the testimony. That's real numbers. That's real data. I wish I could have just shown you everybody's dashboard because they all look the same, but I just happened to randomly choose 2 of them, and most people started at the same time. We do have limited seats, but we do have a new opening right now, so you want to get in here before it fills back up. You work with me personally, so there's only one Corbellic, so that's why we have limited amount of seats in here. You work with me directly. You have my personal telephone number where you have any questions. You also have my calendar where you can reach out to me so we can have a personal one-on-one coaching anytime during the week. I go into your account. We also have group calls, but also you get so many different other perks that I love. I can't wait to talk to you about. So as soon as we set up a phone call together, I'm going to be able to show you all the different perks and all the different benefits and all the things that you get. Also, you get lifetime access as a VIP elite member. All right. So join me in the business builder. This is only for like-minded individuals who are ready to commit, ready to paint. You're tired of wasting your time with the galleries, art fairs, newsletters, and all of that different stuff. You're ready to make the sales and the money right now. Apply, join, and I look forward to working with you.